Hello, Duncan Stallions. I hope you're all doing well. With the help of another student, I've created a weekly organizer that should help you stay organized with all your different assignments for all your different classes. We made it really simple so that it's not overwhelming, and that way you can easily input whatever you need to do each week, stay on top of your work, and not get behind. Since you're going to be doing distance learning, you really need to be holding yourself accountable for staying on top of deadlines. So this should help. It's really easy. All you do is do a little weekly personal goal that can be something just for you. It could be wake up on time, make sure you get 30 minutes of exercise, or read a book that you like, whatever. Down here, it's very easy. You just put in your class. I'll say biology, since I'm a biology teacher. Assignments to do, say paragraph 2 in essay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you do all of those for your periods. And one thing I like to do, but this is obviously very optional, if I'm like almost done with paragraph 2, what I do is I highlight it, go up here to the highlighter option, and I'll put it in yellow. It means I'm almost done. Now, if I need to work on paragraph 3 in my essay, and it's like I haven't even started it, I think I would put this in red. Kind of lets me know, hey, you need to make sure you get this done because you're running out of time. So obviously, if I follow the format, say intro paragraph, I'm already done. So I would put it in green, just like a stoplight. Very easy coding information. I really like to use this even in my own documents. So this is obviously optional, but it helps. Now, each week, you're going to need a new one, right? Because it's a weekly organizer. So all you do is go to your Duncan organizer. This is a template. And you just double click or right click. You make a copy. You click that, and it makes you a copy. Okay? So I open it up. And I'm going to just put, instead of copy of, I'm just going to put the date. So 8/17. I know that this is my weekly organizer for August 17th. Super simple. You have to make sure that you're staying up on your assignments because if you fall behind, it's going to be a lot more difficult than when we're in person learning and at school. So please utilize this. It's very simple and it will make your life so much easier. I hope you're all doing well and that you are ready for the beginning of school. See you soon.